Welcome to another video, and today we are going to do the past paper 2019, and the subject is textile clothing and fashion, and we are going to do paper 1. I know it consists of 60 questions, so I want to make it really short, so I'm just going to read the question and then give the answers. All right, so let's see how quickly we can go through. So the first question: a fiber is an ear-like structure used, and the answer is A. Good. Next question, question number 2. Which of the following tests are used to identify the fiber content of fabric? And we have 3 options: burning, chemical, and color fastness. And we are going with the answer A, which is burning and chemical. Let's read number 3. Cotton cloth that are stored before being thoroughly dried will most likely be affected by what? If you say your answer is mildew, then you are correct. Number 4. Which of the following fabric is made from a strong, hard-wearing twill weave with colored warp and white weft yarns? And the answer is denim. And denim is actually the jeans material, very strong and sturdy. Number 5. Which of the following fiber, when scratched, smell like burning air? And that answer will be A. Number 6. Cotton and linen are comfortable to wear in warm weather because they are what? Absorbent. So answer is D. Number 7. The fiber that run parallel to the selvage on the fabric are called what? And we already know that is the warp, right? Good. Number 8. Which of the following fiber, when viewed under the microscope, appear to have notes similar to joints on a bamboo plant? And the answer is cotton. Let's go quickly, number 9. The best method of caring for a polyester knit blouse after each wearing is to do what? And the answer is C. Place it on a padded hanger to dry. Let's go to number 10. Which of the following fabric quality are most suitable for an auto mechanic uniform? And the answer is D. Soil repellent and durable. Number 11. Which of the following techniques would be most suitable for concealing a small hole on the front of a floral cotton blouse? And we are going to go with applique. All right. Let's go in number 12. A mordant is used in fabric decoration to do what? To fix the dye. And we know that the mordant, so in this case, mordant can be a chemical, or it can be like salt or vinegar that you put. So when you're using like dye and you put the salt and the vinegar, it holds the color together. All right. So the answer is B there. Number 13. A student create a new color by mixing red and yellow. In which of the following category should this new color be placed? So red and yellow are primary colors. And when you mix primary colors, you get secondary colors. Good. Let's go to number 14. All right, so item 14, refer to the following pattern. This is the pattern, right? In which of the following techniques can be used to produce a pattern shown below? So here, we can use all. We can use the batik, we can use the tie and dye, we can use the printing. So all 3. So the answer is D. Next question. Which of the following fabric is most suitable for making sleepwear for children who live in the Caribbean? And we already know cotton. Let's go to number 16. And number 16 says, chewing gum may be removed from a spot on a cotton dress. And when you're talking about chewing gum, you have to talk about freezing. So you can use ice and then you can rub it onto the chewing gum, and then it will move very easily. Number 17, which of the following is not considered to be a laundry aid? And the answer is bicarbonate, and this is baking soda, right? So bicarbonate of soda and potassium nitrate. Number 18, when laundering clothes, soaking is done in order to do what? Why do we soak our clothes? Because we want to loosen the dirt. So answer is A. Number 19, flax is a raw material which produce linen. Number 20, which of the following fiber must combine with cotton in most suitable for making swimwear? So spandex, because it's very stretchy, right? Number 21, let's go quickly. When choosing fabric for persons who are tall and thin, it is best suitable that we don't have vertical stripes. 22, a blood stain on a garment of unknown fiber content is best removed using what? An enzyme stain remover. 23, the purpose of recycling, and we have some options. One, why do we do recycling? We save money. We do it for artistic expression and to save the environment. So the answer will be D, all three. This one is a default question, right? But which of the following duties is not responsible for a production manager in a garment construction? I would say all of these options are, but if I'm going to choose one, I would choose supervising staff. So schedule workflow, developing pattern, controlling quality, and of course you have to supervise your staff, but I will go with that option. But as I said before, it's a default question. Good, but you have to choose one. So the design, number 25, the design of horizontal line is most suitable for a person that are short and pulp. Let's go to question number 26. And question number 26, we have an image and it says item 26, refer to the following sketch of the blouse. And this is a sketch of the blouse. And here we have the X. So this is the point label X of the blouse is what? And this is emphasis. Good. Which of the following type of sleeve is most suitable for a little girl dress? And you know puff. Puff will be the answer. 28. The term fashion is best described as a style of dress is popular at a given time. Let's go with 29. Which of the following statement define the term soft furnishing? And the answer is B, a decorative and functional textile product. 30, a new style of uniform was introduced at a school. However, many students complain about the box pleat coming apart. Which of the following worker would most likely be responsible for the problem? So we have stitcher, designer, sample maker, and pattern maker. So it have to be the stitcher because it is falling apart. Good. 31. Which of the following employees is responsible for selecting a color and fabric for a new line of clothing? And you know that could be the designer. Let's go to number 32. And 32, we have an image, right? It's a image item 32, refer to the following diagram of a summer dress. And this is the dress that we are talking about. So the question, the main point of emphasis on the dress is what? The elastic, where we have elastic here, of the waistline, and that will be the answer. 33, the yarn count of a fabric refer to what? The number of yarn measures on the fabric. That's it. Answer is D. This is a symbol. It says, which of the following care label is used to identify dry cleaning instruction? And the answer is A. Let's go to question 35. So we are doing fine. And this is an image as well, but this item refer to 35 and 36 refer to the following front pattern of a bodice block. So the first question in 35, the line label S, this is S, this is the line, is the pattern represent what? The waistline. And we can see that, right? All right, next question. The line P in the pattern represent, this is P. Here at the top is P. and that represents the neckline, the back neckline right here. This is the back. This is the front, and this is the back. 37. Which of the following skills are most important for a tailor in a small garment factory? And the answer is designing and pattern making. Let's go with 38. Which of the following measurement is used to draft a convertible collar? So we have to use a neck. All right. On the sewing machine, the tightness of the upper thread is the stitch to control wear, the needle, and the tension dial. Let's go to number 40. Number 40, so this is image. So item 40 and 41 refer to the following diagram of colors, right? So let's go. Look at the first image number 1, image number 2, image number 3. Let's go and see the question. Which of the label section illustrate a complete color ready for attach of a garment? And we are going to go with D. And this is D. Good. Next question. Which of the label section illustrate method that may be used to eliminate bulk? And we are going with B. So here we can eliminate the bulk and we can take out extra fabric here. So that answer will be B. Let's go to 42. Which of the following are guides on the pattern piece of the correct insertion of a sleeve into an armhole? And have to be dots and notches. 43. The four number of a top left hand side of a commercial pattern envelope are used to do what? Locate the pattern having selected it from the catalog. So answer is D. This one is an image. Number 44 is an image. It's a image 44 refer to the following diagram or 3 pattern pieces. So pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. Pattern 1, 2, and 3. All right. Which of the following notches could be matched? So we are going to go with A. So we say 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 could match. This and this could match. And then we are saying that 2 and 5 and 2 and 5. So we match this part to this part. And then we'll match the 2 to the 5 to the 4. So the answer will be A. 45. Another diagram as well. Look at the diagram carefully. So item 45 refer to the following diagram and the layout of the bodice with the right side up. Good. So the question says the number of fabric pieces to be cut from pattern piece B is layout is what? 2. And the answer is 2. Which of the following quality are important when selecting fabric for a curtain? And let's go with the option. Brighten colors, resistant to sunlight, resistant to shrinkage. So we are going to go with resistant to sunlight, because when you have the curtain, you know, and the next one is resistant to shrinkage. So that will be C, option C. Next, 47, coming down. Which of the following type of stitch should be used for a curved area which required extra angling, and we call that a stay stitch. That would be a permanent stitch. 48. Which of the following color combination could result in a tint? And you know tint, so it's red and white. Because gray stone, red, black is shade. So red and white would be the answer. All right. Next, 49, which item 49 refer to the following diagram of a jacket. And this is X right here. So they are asking the question, the line X on the jacket represent what? A dot. So a dot is right here. 50, the seam of a scoop neck line does not turn over smoothly. Which of the following procedure can be used for this problem? So if you snitch it, like you clip it, then you can get it to lay down flat. Next question is 51. So item 51, refer to the following diagram of a garment, and this is a little a child's dress. So which of the following fastening could be more suitable for the use of the opening of a garment? And we are going to go with snap fastening. 52, which of the following item is best suitable to represent a seam flat? And we can go with a seam roll. 53, which is the correct name for the piece of material which hang across the top of a draperies or curtains, and we'll call those a valance. 54 is a label or is a diagram, sorry. So item 54 refer to the following diagram of a pattern piece, and this is a pattern piece. So the question say, in the above diagram, the sleeve should be stitched at a point of 1 and 4. So we will go with 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 will go together and you stitch them. So 1 and 4. All right, which of the following type of seam does not need neatening? And that will be a French. All right, 56, which of the following techniques describe the use of woven interfacing? Place it on the, all right, so the answer is C right here. Going quickly, 57, only have 4 questions to go. Which of the following group includes soft furnishing for windows only? And the answer is valance. So the answer will be A. 58, which of the following group include only method of controlling fullness? Controlling fullness, pleat, dart, and ease in. Number 59, when making a Peter Pan color, which of the following step must be done before turning the color over on the right side? And the answer is clip the curved edge, answer C. And our final one, a pad which is used in pressing curved seam is called a tailor's arm. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much. Bye.